How to soothe the sunburn naturally. Summer is here, which means it's time to get outside and enjoy the sunshine. Unfortunately, a sunburn is almost often the result of all those hours spent outside throughout the summer season. The good news is that there are several home remedies to relieve the burning, stinging, and peeling that comes with a sunburn. 1. Cool water. The initial step in treating sunburn should be to cool down the skin with a cool bath or shower. Avoid exfoliating the skin or using items such as bath oils, soap, or bubble bath, which can cause excess dryness. To avoid irritation, gently pat yourself dry while leaving some water on the skin. 2. Cold compress. A cold compress can also be used to relieve heat, discomfort, and edema. Wrap a soft cloth over an ice pack and apply to the burn. Ice should never be applied directly to the skin since it might cause additional harm. Use the cold compress for 10 to 15 minutes at a time throughout the day. 3. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera is one of the most effective sunburn treatments. This cactus plant's gel relieves pain, promotes healing, and moisturizes the skin. Split a plant leaf and apply the sap straight to your skin, or get pure aloe vera gel at your local drugstore. 4. Honey. Since Egyptian times, honey has been utilized as a burn salve. It may even be more effective than certain antibiotic creams at speeding up healing, lowering infection, and reducing pain. 5. Oatmeal bath. When finely ground oats, colloidal oatmeal, are added to bath water, it acts as an anti-inflammatory. You can make your own by crushing a cup of instant oats until it has a smooth, fine consistency in a blender or food processor. Pour into a lukewarm bath water and enjoy a soak. 6. Tea. To ease symptoms, place a washcloth or cotton gauze soaked in brewed tea, such as chamomile, black, or green tea, on the afflicted region. Tea also works as a home treatment for sunburn on the face because it is completely natural. 7. Coconut oil. To combat dryness and inflammation after a sunburn, apply cold-pressed coconut oil. However, you should only use coconut oil after the skin has cooled and any blisters have faded. Apply the coconut oil generously as a natural sunburn cure. 8. Baking soda or cornstarch. Inflammation and irritation can be relieved by soaking in bath water laced with baking soda or cornstarch. You may also form a paste by mixing these ingredients with water and applying it on burnt skin. 9. Apple cider vinegar. Vinegar contains acetic acid, which relieves pain, irritation, and inflammation. Soak in a tepid bath with 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. You may also use a washcloth to apply vinegar on burnt skin for 10 to 15 minutes at a time. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.